Hi guys, Wendy here. Welcome to my laundry nook. See this little shelf behind me? It's got a little sag. And the way this shelf was done originally was I just put the 3 brackets across there and I leveled it as best I could. I also had the smaller shelf in the laundry closet, and as you can see, it has a lot of water damage from chemicals and bleach and other detergents that have been sitting on there. So I took this down. Today I'm going to talk about replacing the lower shelf. The top one is okay, but I'm going to do the lower shelf a little bit differently so that we don't have this dip in the middle. My top shelf is very sturdy. It's just a little, not perfectly straight. But this shelf is going to be perfectly straight. And the easiest way to do that, if you are putting up a shelf and it's an area where you don't mind having a small reveal of a piece of wood, you just get a piece of wood that you can level and nail to the wall. And I put a short piece on the end as well, same size as that strip up above. So basically I'm going from this to this. It's a big difference going from a small 2-foot shelf to a 4-foot shelf. So when I picked out this board to put underneath as my support in the back and my leveling piece, I made sure that the brackets I was buying to go with it could accommodate the height of the bracket. So I didn't get a wider piece than the bracket. I thought that was plenty. And the wider you go, the more money the board costs, of course. After I put this board on the wall and I just put it into studs, I took a bracket and lined it up with where I wanted to put it. And you can put the bracket anywhere now because this board is in the studs and you have this board to secure these two. And then what I did is I decided where I wanted to put my brackets. So I put one on the end, one smack in the middle, and I don't need one down there because I have a board over there and the boards are so much easier. And now I can just set my shelf right on there, and I just have to put in a couple of screws to secure it to the support board underneath. And this little support board over here, I brought it out far enough to go into a stud and not any further because of the outlet being in the way. And I used a brad nailer, just put a couple brads in there and on the end. Here's the laundry nook all put back together with a new little shelf. You can see 10-inch depth was really good for spacing around the washer dryer. So I don't think we'll be dropping any more detergent. By we, I mean not me. Okay, detergent down behind the dryer. And I want to keep this shelf good, and you remember that detergent damaged the other one. So a couple of things you could do. You could put contact paper, or like this is a vinyl roll that you could just put on the shelf. So I'll probably put this under the detergent just to make it easy to clean. It's vinyl, it cleans up really well. I have some under the sink, it works great. I put a basket on the shelf, and you can put little felt pads. You can get them at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So I've got a lost sock basket looking for my soulmate. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you have a great day.